Some of them call it the weed. They like it, they like it. Some call it marijuana. Some of them call it ganja. Yes, politicians smoking. And their children too. Judges smoking, and even the lawyer too. Doctors smoking, nurses smoking, policemen smoking. And when them are stealing from you. Arthritis and asthma, insomnia, emphysema, and tablet epileptic seizure. Big pain and nausea associated with AIDS and cancer. Some say it is a best stress reliever. Lord knows some are believers. So give me the ganja, coffee and me herbal tea. Since Emilia is irate, I don't care what the government says. Since Emilia is okay, legalize it.
Cię